And this is Bobby. And we are here camping, and if you like camping, rate 5 stars. If you don't like camping, you suck. Fine. We have this dog, or we should say it's like a wolf or something. I don't know. Likes rocks. Hey Zoe! Come here. Come here, Zoe. Come here. Meet the YouTube people. This is my dog. Zoe. This is Zoe. Say hi, Zoe. Look, he has a rock. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is a dog who loves rocks. Loves rocks. Zoe, get that rock! Get that rock! Come here, Zoe. Come here. Look at, she got a rock in her mouth. Get it, get that rock. Aww, look how cute. Good girl. Good girl. This is Snow Rider Chick and Bobby. Hi.